Erhan has come to play at Ryan's home. Ryan's little sister is sleeping in the next room.
Hello, Ryan, are you there?
Erhan, be quiet, please. My little sister is sleeping.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to be loud. Let's play Karom.
Okay, but speak in a low voice. Don't be noisy.
Got it. Give me a glass of water, please. I'm thirsty.
Sure, here you go. Drink slowly.
Thanks. The water is a bit cold. I prefer warm water.
Me too. Now, get the carom board. It's near the bookshelf, not that far.
I can't see it. It's dark here.
Oh, I see. Let me turn the light on.
Found it. Oh no, the board looks dirty.
Let's clean it.
Done. Let's play. You go first.
Thanks, but remember, don't talk loudly.
Okay, I'll be quiet.